Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Who doesn't love Maggi, right? On top of it, if you add some extra flavors, the taste of the instant Maggi masala noodles reaches another level. Today, I have come up with exactly one of those recipes. Without wasting much time, let's begin with the recipe. To make this spicy Maggi masala noodles, I have taken 2-in-1 Maggi noodles in which we have 2 pieces along with taste maker. I have taken 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 small tomato finely chopped, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and around 1/4 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Please note that the Maggi masala taste maker already has salt, so add very little. Since we are adding some onions and tomatoes, I am adding little bit of salt. Also we need around 2 tablespoons of oil and around 1 cup of water. Now heat up a kadai and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I am adding the chopped onions into the kadai. Saute it until the onions turn soft and mushy. Okay, now that our onions have turned soft, I am adding the chopped tomatoes. Again, saute it until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Now that our onions and tomatoes are fried well, I am adding chili powder, garam masala powder and pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix it all together so that the masala gets evenly distributed. Now, before adding the noodles, I like to crush it like this inside the packet itself and then add it. Some of them add it directly, but I like to crush it. Now I am adding the Maggi masala taste maker. I am adding both the packets. Again, I am mixing it all together so that the Maggi masala evenly gets distributed. Next, I am adding around 1 cup of water. In goes the crushed noodles. Just give it a good mix. Within 3 minutes, your Maggi should be ready. In between, I am just mixing it. Our instant Maggi masala noodles is almost ready. If you want to garnish it with coriander leaves, then you can go ahead with it. It tastes even better. Today I am running out of coriander leaves, hence I am not adding it. Now we can turn off the gas stove. It's show time, guys. Our spicy Maggi masala noodles is now ready to serve. Wow, it just smells amazing and I cannot wait to eat this. Friends, I cannot stress enough on how tasty, spicy and delicious this Maggi noodles has come out. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this recipe. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video with an interesting recipe.